The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's most thrilling and ambitious release in years, and we at Technology Review have dug deep into the latest leaks, mock-ups, and exclusive insider scoops to bring you a fresh look at what's coming. Forget the same old info. This is next-level Apple insight, tailored for fans who want more than just the basics. Let's break down what makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max a game-changer in design, power, camera, display, and more. Buckle up, this isn't your average upgrade. 1. All-new camera bar design that dominates the look. One of the biggest talking points is Apple's decision to reimagine the rear camera layout. Instead of a traditional camera bump, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to feature a sweeping, rectangular camera bar, much like the one spotted in Pixel phones, but with Apple's polished aesthetic. From leaked dummy units and early case models, the camera bar is expected to span across the entire upper section of the back, be thicker, bolder, and more refined, seamlessly blend into the phone's color for a sleek finish. And no, it's not just a design decision. Apple reportedly plans to double down on camera performance, especially in low light and telephoto capabilities. 2. Titanium? Nope. A bold return to aluminum. In a twist that surprised many, early reports hint that Apple might ditch titanium for a premium-grade aluminum frame in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yes, you read that right. Why aluminum? It's lighter, more flexible, and easier to produce at scale, which may help balance the hefty camera system. Plus, the iPhone 17 Air, more on that soon, is said to use aluminum to keep weight ultra-low. This could mark a shift in Apple's material philosophy, less about luxury metal, more about real-world usability. 3. A 19 Pro chip, Beast Mode activated. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the all-new A19 Pro chip, based on the industry-leading 3nm architecture. It's expected to boost performance by at least 25% compared to A18 Pro, deliver exceptional power efficiency, making that larger battery last even longer, improve AI and ML tasks, especially for real-time photo editing, speech recognition, and Siri. And for gamers, this is likely to be the fastest mobile chip on the planet, period. 4. Redesigned Dynamic Island, sleeker, smarter, invisible. Apple is not backing down on the Dynamic Island. In fact, it's doubling down. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will bring a more seamless, nearly invisible Dynamic Island, with tighter integration of Face ID sensors, a smaller footprint that feels more like part of the display, improved responsiveness, and new live app widgets that adapt in real time. It's the first real step toward a full under-display experience, and it's gorgeous. 5. Front camera upgrade. Selfies just got serious. No more blurry selfies or grainy FaceTimes. Apple is reportedly upgrading the front camera to 24 megapixels, a jump from the current 12 MP standard. Expect sharper, cleaner shots in any lighting condition. 4K video at 60 frames per second with better stabilization. Enhanced portrait mode and cinematic effects. For creators, vloggers, and anyone glued to Instagram, this is the camera you've been waiting for. 6. Battery life reimagined, bigger, smarter, better. Thanks to the slightly thicker chassis, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a larger battery and better thermals. Combined with the power efficiency of the A19 Pro chip, users can expect 2+ days of typical usage with ease. Drastically reduced battery drain during high-performance tasks. Optimized charging cycles to preserve long-term battery health. And yes, fast charging is expected to get a boost, although exact wattage is still under wraps. 7. Wi-Fi 7 with Apple's own modem. Apple is ditching Broadcom and making a bold move to its in-house Wi-Fi 7 chip. This means insane download/upload speeds, lower latency for gaming and video calls, better range and fewer dropouts. Pair that with an upgraded 5G modem, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max becomes an unstoppable connectivity machine. 8. a display that's practically sci-fi. The display on the iPhone 17 Pro Max won't just be brighter or smoother. It's rumored to feature LTPO OLED with adaptive 1 Hz, 120 Hz refresh rate, better outdoor visibility with 500 plus nits peak brightness, anti-reflective coating for improved clarity in sunlight, ultra-slim bezels for a truly edge-to-edge experience. In short, this will be the most immersive iPhone screen ever made. 9. Storage that's practically a hard drive. For the first time, Apple is likely to offer the iPhone 17 Pro Max in 2 terabyte storage options. Yes, 2 terabytes. Here's the full rumored lineup. 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes. It's a nod to pro users who shoot ProRes video, raw photos, or play massive games, and don't want to worry about running out of space. 10. Meet the iPhone 17 Air, the new minimal king. While the iPhone 17 Pro Max is stealing the spotlight, let's not forget the iPhone 17 Air, Apple's most unique phone since the iPhone mini. What makes it stand out? Ultra-thin and lightweight. Single rear camera, but with a large sensor. Same high-refresh 120 Hz screen as the Pro models. A 19 chip with full performance, no gimping. Modern design with a camera bar to match the Pro Max. It's not a downgrade, it's a design-first, minimalist iPhone for those who want sleekness above all. 11. iOS 19 will take advantage of it all. With iOS 19 on the way, Apple is aligning hardware and software like never before. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will support smarter widgets in the dynamic island, enhanced multitasking, yes, even split screen might come, live voice translation for FaceTime, on-device AI for image enhancement and search, better battery analytics and health controls. This is going to be the most powerful version of iOS yet. 12. The price? It's climbing, but here's why. While some leaks say the iPhone 17 Pro Max may start around $1,199, others speculate it could go as high as $1,999 for the 2 terabytes version. That sounds steep, but think of what you're getting. A 19 Pro chip, best-in-class cameras, top-tier display, premium build, cutting-edge wireless tech. For Apple lovers and tech enthusiasts, this might just be worth every penny. 13. Launch timeline, what to expect. Here's how the roadmap looks. June 2025, iOS 19 preview at WWDC. September 2025, iPhone 17 Pro Max reveal event. Late September, pre-orders and official release. Apple will also unveil AirPods Pro 3 with improved noise cancellation, Apple Watch X or Series 11 with better health sensors. These products will seamlessly sync with the new iPhone for a next-gen Apple ecosystem experience. Conclusion: a bold new era for the iPhone. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just another iPhone. It's Apple's boldest, smartest, and most beautiful smartphone to date. From the radical camera design and self-developed Wi-Fi 7 chip to the A19 Pro performance and luxurious materials, this phone isn't just catching up, it's leaping ahead. For the millions of Apple fans, techies, creators, and photographers out there, this phone could be the one worth waiting for. Stay locked to Technology Review for all the latest Apple news, deep dives, and hands-on impressions. We're just getting started. Fire.